Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Monday, June the 19th, 2023. And we have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the Sudoku with 0 stars, the 2 stars Sudoku, the 4 stars Sudoku, the tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star. In Dutch they call it Saiva block. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last one is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only 4 out of them I will solve. Why? Well, otherwise it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright, the first one, Sudoku with 2 stars, number 6619. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. So 26 printed digits, it's a 2 stars puzzle, and for a 2 stars puzzle I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. We have a 1 in this row, 1 in the second row, so the third row there are only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Okay, and then let me see. Come on, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5 in this big square. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 in these, and 3 box. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square should be there. 1 box left in this column, middle column for the mother. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 9, 7. So we have a 5 in this row, third row, 5 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5, 5, 5, 5. Then. 9, need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be there. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square should be there. 4, 4. Okay. 3, 6, and 8. Yeah. 2, 2. Come on. Need a 4 here. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row. So the row between the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5, 5. 5. Need a 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We have a 5 in this column, last column, so no 5 there. 5 in this column, no 5 there. Here can be a 5 because we have 5 in this column, so no 5 there. So the 5 could be here, or there in this row. Well, we have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 in the second column, no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 should be there. Alright. 4 in this row, 4 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, or there. We see a 4 in the last row, no 4 there. 4 in the row above, no 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be there. 9, 1, 1, 1, yeah. 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the first column, no 1 in these 3 boxes here. 1 in the middle row, no 1 in those 3 boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 in this column, 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1, 1. Okay, cannot continue with the 1 now, need to wait. How about the 4 then? 4, 4. Here need also the 4, cannot continue with the 4. How about the 2 then? 2, 2, 2, no. The 9. 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the second column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for us. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 8 and 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. So we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see a 9 in the last column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So that column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 7 and a 9, we have a 9 in the third row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 7 goes there. And all the 9s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 9. Okay. 5, 5. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see our 5 in the middle row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 5. How about the 4, 4, 4? Still need more here. More digits. 2 missing numbers in this big square from us. 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. Okay. 2, 2. 3, 6 and the 8. 3. 1 box left in this column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row, 3 in a row above. So that row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 6 and the 8, 6 and the 8. Come on, come on, come on. 7, we need a 7 here. 2 missing numbers in this big square for us. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. There means 1 box left in this column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. So we have a 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the second column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So the last column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this third row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the second column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Digit number 3, number 7. How about the 3s? Come on, come on, come on, come on. And the 4s, need a 4, yeah. 4, well, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the second column, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. It should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the last column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 4. Okay. 3 and the 1. 1, 1, 1. Need a 1 here. Let me see. 3 and 8. 2 numbers left in this third column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in the second row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 2 goes there. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8, 8. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the last column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. So 1 box left in the first row for the number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 6 in the second row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 6 in the last column, 6 in one of those 2 boxes in that column. So the column between, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 3 and the 6, we have a 6 now in the middle row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the second column, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. Then 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 6 and 8, we have a 6 now in the last row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Alright. So I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. The Sudoku with 4 stars, binary, and the tectonic. Until then, bye bye for now.